Good morning. Welcome to
MathIdeas number 174.
MathIdeas number 174. Today we're going to learn about
More negative numbers.
more negative numbers. And remember, we talked about negative numbers yesterday, right?
Mm-hmm.
And were they scary?
No.
No. Not scary. Not even a little bit scary. We just had our number line. We started with 0 and went 1, 2, 3, 4. But we said if we go backwards, you go -1, -2, -3, -4. Sometimes negative numbers give people the hiccups. Do you have the hiccups?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe it's because of negative numbers. I don't know. So we said when you add, when we say 1 plus 2, it means you just start at 1 and you go over 2. Hop, hop. Like what? Hop, hop like a
frog.
A frog, yeah. So 1 plus 2 is
3.
3. And 1 plus minus 3 means we start at 1, but where do we go?
We go that way.
Okay, why don't you hop like a frog? Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus minus 3 is?
Is minus 2.
Minus 2. So the only difference is when you add a negative number, you go
that way.
You go that way, because the negative numbers go that way. So that's all. That's all it is about negative numbers. All right, you ready to make up some tough problems?
Yeah.
Or some medium problems? Okay, you make one up. Make one up.
Okay. Okay, how about 4 plus negative 4, I mean 3 plus negative 4.
Okay, 3 plus negative 4? Okay, where do we start on this one?
We start at 3 and then
Yep.
go
1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus negative 4
is minus 1.
Is minus 1. Very good. 3 plus minus 4 is minus 1. All right. You ready for another one?
Yep.
Okay. One more practice. One. Go ahead, you make it up.
Okay, how about any numbers?
Anyone? Yeah.
Okay, how about 3 plus minus 3 plus minus 1.
3 plus minus 1. Okay, so what does that mean?
It means you can start at 3 and minus 1.
Okay, and where do you end up when you start at 3 and you go minus 1?
2.
2. 3 plus minus 1 is 2. Okay, so that's how adding works. Now let's do
Little bit of subtraction.
subtraction. When we say 4 minus 3, it means we start at 4 and we go backwards 3. 1, 2, 3. Now usually when we were adding 3, we would go this way 3, right?
Yeah.
But minus means go backwards. So 4 minus 3 is
1.
1. Now, how about 1 minus minus 2?
1 minus minus.
1 minus minus 2. Remember, subtraction means you go the opposite way you went for addition. So you start at 1. If we were going to add minus 2, which way would we go?
Go that way.
We'd go that way. So what way do we go when we minus minus 2?
Go that way.
Yeah. Okay, so 1 minus minus 2 is?
Minus 3.
No, not minus 3. 1 minus minus 2 is?
Minus minus 2.
1 minus minus 2 is?
Is 3.
3, yeah, not minus 3, but 3. Okay, now, that's pretty neat. So let me just write that up here. 1 minus minus 2 equals 3. And what's the other way we can get to 3? Starting at 1.
1 plus 2.
1 plus 2 also equals 3. So minus minus 2 is also the same as?
Plus 2.
Plus 2. That's interesting. But that makes sense, by the way, because plus 2 means start somewhere and go 2 this way. Minus 2 means start here and go the opposite direction of that way, 2. So what's the opposite direction of that way?
It's that way. Left.
Opposite direction of left is?
Is right.
Right. So we go right 2. So these say the same thing. So let's do some subtraction practice. Okay, you make a problem up.
How about 2 minus 30?
2 minus 3. Okay, go ahead. 2 minus 3 is?
Is -1.
It is -1. Okay, show me on your picture. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Okay. How about this? How about -2 minus -3? What does that equal? -2 minus -3. Oh!
Okay, that means we start at -2 and we go that way. Go that way.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. That's 1.
All right. -2 minus -3 is 1. Whoa! Okay, you ready for the last one?
Yep.
Should I give you a hard one?
Okay.
Okay. Here you go. -4 minus -7. Oh! Oh! Oh no! Is there any way to do this? Ah!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That equals 3.
-4 minus -7 equals 3. Did you know that?
Yeah.
You knew it? Or did you figure it out?
I figured it out.
Yeah, good. That looks like a pretty hard problem, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Does it seem a little scary?
No.
What if I went, "Rah!" Does it seem scary now?
No.
No. Oh, shoot, why aren't negative numbers scary? I thought negative numbers were super scary.
Not
Yeah.
to me.
Not to you.
Yeah.
You're immune to negative numbers. All right, good job. Good job today, honey. Good. That's good negative number practice.